Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to earn Temu credit. So first is you have to open your Temu application and then we are going to change our location. So first go to the U button at the bottom center of your screen. So this one right here. And as you can see, I don't have the options or I can have the credits or earn credits. So we have to change our location. So just click on the settings or the gear icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. And then go to country and region. Now you just have to select the country or region, which credits or how you can earn credits is available. So let's go with Australia. Now go back to you, and then as you can see here, you can now see the earn credits and free gifts. So you will then just have to click on it. And here you'd be able to see different options where you can earn credits and free gifts. So let's go with the win for freebies. So just click on the get now. Okay, and then this page will load. Then right here, you can now start picking your first gifts. Okay, so just pick one of this one by one. So now let's go with your second gift. And then after selecting all of the gift, you will then just have to click on the confirm option and then you have to type out your address so the gifts will be delivered to your door without any fee. Okay, so just click on confirm and then right here you can go with the different options as well. For example, the fish land, and then you will then just have to do the same. And that's a wrap. That's how you can earn credits on Timo. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.